The dual asset feature on Bybit is a feature that makes you money irrespective of what the market is doing. It will make you money when the market is going up. It will make you money when the market is going down. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up, and you will only need to check on it or repeat the action every 2, 3, or 5 days, depending on the strategy you are using. Now, a lot of people don't know about this, and I'll be explaining this in this video so you can take advantage of it. The first step to using the dual asset feature on Bybit is to create and verify a Bybit account. There's a link in the description. Make sure to use that link to create an account. After that, download the app, log in, because I'll be using the app to explain the feature. Now, in the Bybit homepage, you click on More. Then, under the End section, you see Dual Assets. Click on it. If you scroll down, you see it has amazing APY. You can see that the Atom USDT APY is 583.95%. If I click on it, I'll see 1 day, 3 day, 5 day. I'll come back to explain this. Now, let me explain what dual asset is, and I'll come back to take the action. There are 2 terms you should know here. One is the benchmark price, which is a price when your dual asset plan begins. The second is the settlement price, which is a price when your dual asset plan ends. This can be lower or higher than the benchmark price. Dual means 2, so there are 2 assets involved in a dual asset plan: a stablecoin and a non-stablecoin. For example, stablecoin USDT, non-stablecoin Atom. So, in an Atom USDT dual asset plan, you can deposit USDT or you can deposit Atom. Whichever you deposit, you will make profit, but the coin you end up with depends on the coin you deposited and the market direction at the settlement date. Here's what I mean. For the Atom USDT plan, if you deposit USDT and the market rises at the settlement date, you receive the same USDT plus your yield. If the market falls, you receive Atom plus your yield. On the other hand, if you deposit Atom and the market falls, you receive the same Atom plus your yield. If it rises, you receive USDT plus your yield. Put this in your mind this way. You are selling when the price rises. If it doesn't rise, you're getting your money back plus yield. If it does rise, you get USDT plus yield. Or you are buying when the price falls. If it doesn't fall, you're getting your USDT back plus yield. If it does fall, you get the bought coin plus yield. Does that make sense? Now, let me show you how it's done on the app. So this is the Atom USDT plan. Now I want to go with the 1 day, right? Which is 584.34 APY. So I click on select. Now I can choose to enter to deposit Atom or deposit USDT. So I want to do USDT, but I don't have any USDT in my balance. So what I'll do first is to go to my wallet section, go back at the top bottom here, you see assets, click on it. I have to actually send USDT here. So what I do here is to click on this port, then click on deposit, select USDT, then deposit USDT into this particular wallet. Now, if you want to know how to buy USDT with Naira on Bybit, I did another video. I'll also leave that link in the description box below. So I'll go ahead and deposit USDT here. Okay, I have made the deposit. So if I go to my wallet, you can see in my derivative account and I have $163. So let me go back to the dual asset investment, right? And go back to Atom USDT, click on select this, choose USD. Now I have to transfer to this account. I'll just click on transfer here. Now I want to transfer from my derivative account. I'll transfer $100. Click on confirm. So now I have $100 here. I'm going to use that 100. click on submit, then I click on confirm. So I have made it now. If I want to see where my money is, I have to go back to my wallet, click on the asset here, then click on earn. Then you will see that in my dual asset I have 100 USDT there. So that is how you do it. There's a catch here. With dual investments, the coin bought or sold is always done at the benchmark price before the yield is added. So if you buy or sell yourself at settlement price, you might actually get more value for your money. That is if the market goes the direction that requires it to buy or sell. But if it doesn't, you get more value using a dual investment. But even if it doesn't, you still get more value using the dual investment when you compare it to buying yourself at the benchmark price. You might want to replay this section to get what I'm saying. I hope you now have good knowledge of the Bybit Dual Asset. It has enhanced yield, it's short-term, and it is hassle-free. I'll leave you now to try it out yourself. Now, if you don't want your coin to be converted as it's done in the dual asset, but have it always protected, earning you over 20% in a short time frame, then watch this next video on Bybit Shark Fin.